My curls, baby, my curls are popping. Hello? Hello. Pick up the phone. Hello, curls popping. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be talking about this deep conditioner that I just got. So a little bit about the company. It is from NaturAll. It's a Black-owned company. They specialize in deep conditioners, and you can either get it a one-time purchase, that's what I got, or you can, prepay to get it, so you can get it every month, 1, 3, 6, or 12 months, and they'll be sent to you every month. You just pay all at once, I think. So let's just get into this deep conditioner.
Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
So it came in this little box right here, and in the box it comes with the NaturAll Club Deep Conditioner. It comes with the hair serum, the hair tie, the cap, and the ingredients information sheet and a spray bottle. So this is a spray bottle. It's a small spray bottle. I already have one. This is the little hair tie. It comes with a shower cap. You can't really see, but it comes with a shower cap. And this is the serum. And then this is the deep conditioner. So it comes in three different types. You got the dry, the dull, and the damage, I believe. Let me check to see if that's right. Got the notes. Yeah, the dry, the damage, and the dull. So I got the damage because on the survey that I took on the website, it said that I had damaged hair. And my hair's not really dry right now. Oh, I look crazy, but I'm about to do my hair. So I haven't touched my hair in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It's been braided up under like wigs and stuff. So we're about to get into this video. I am about to put water in this because I don't have my spray bottle. So I'm just gonna put water in here. Everybody has been raving about this. I've seen posts about this on Instagram. And I watch other people's YouTube videos. So, people with my type of hair. So they said it's a good product, and I'm excited to see how it is. So I already separated my hair into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna start with the back. Yeah, I already, I pre-pooed my hair because I really don't like to shampoo my hair. So, boom, we're just going to wet it. Over, and it's not detangled or anything. And the company is NaturAll, if I didn't say it. NaturAll. And that's how it comes out. It's pretty thick consistency, so I'm about to see. Oh, and it just really glides on your hair, honestly. The only other deep conditioner that I like is the Miele's, but this one is kind of popping, okay? It smells good. It has maybe that's oil in my hair. It kind of smells weird. And it comes with a pretty good amount. So if you have thicker hair than I do, you should definitely be fine. You probably get more uses out of this. Separate my hair. Oh, yeah. Here, I like this. Oh. try to see if I can make this at home. You know, do my own do-it-yourself DIYs. Like to say something else, but yes, and then I can, ooh, baby, I can grab all my hair in one little, right there. Ooh, I like that. I got a finger comb it. You can see my hair. Oh, I really like it. Cause normally I cannot finger detangle my hair, and my hands are just going through somewhat. Let's add a little bit more, but I don't want to take all of it just for this one section, you know. But this is popping. I want to see how it's going to look. My hair is going to look after. But yeah, it has a weird smell. Or maybe that's just my oils. Yeah, it definitely glides on my hair. I have 4C type hair. I really don't know the type of my hair. I'm just saying 4C because that's what I think it is. Yeah, that's how it comes out. It's a very thick consistency, but it glides right on the hair. So I really like it. And I don't see why everybody was raving about it. It's really good. And it also said focus on the ends. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh, it glides like butter. I love products that glide like butter on my hair. But I think you can get more uses out of this without not just a one-time use. You can probably get like 2. Yeah, a good 2 uses out of it. So my hair was definitely not detangled after this. Look how cute. Oh yeah, okay. So I definitely got the one for damaged hair, but I'm really fucking with it. Ooh, I'm fucking with this. I like this. I really do like it. Wow. I'm so amazed about this. I'm gonna focus on my ends as well as the oldest part of my hair. I'm really messing with this. I really like this. Let's get a close-up. No, I know my face is horrible, but yes. I don't know if you can see. Maybe we can see it better. And make sure if you don't use it right away, make sure you put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, because there's no preservatives in it, so it will get bad fast because it's avocado. Look how
it's like butter, baby. Yeah. Like butter. Ooh. Wanna put my fingers through your hair, wrap me up in your leg.
Yes, I'm loving it. And my hair doesn't take product lightly, but it's taking this. It's definitely taking this. Okay, this is the last section of my hair. You see how it is. See then. Yeah, it just smells like avocado, really. Honestly and truly, you can just finger detangle your hair with this, cause it's like butter, baby.
Yes, I'm loving it.
Okay, so after you apply the deep conditioner to your hair, you're going to place the cap, any cap or the shower cap that they gave you, over your hair for 20 to 40 minutes. I'm going to do it for 30 minutes because that's just my preference, or I might do it the whole 40. But I will see you after that. Once you let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes, it says wash out with shampoo and conditioner. So I'll see y'all after I wash it out. And I just realized that I did not only put water on one section of my hair when I was applying my deep conditioner. So if your hair is manageable, you could add it. I don't think it makes a difference. It could make a difference, but you know, it's all up to you really. But okay, so I just rinsed it out and my hair is soft and my curls are really popping. I have a looser texture in the front, but my curls are popping, okay? You can't really tell on my camera, but my curls are popping. So I'm about to add this dime size, this much of the hair serum. It says add it after. That was a very thick consistency. It's like a shea butter kind of. Yeah. And my shrinkage is real, okay? My shrinkage is real, baby. Overall, I really like it. I really like it. So I do suggest that you try it out if you have any 4 type hair texture. But even if you don't have 4 type hair texture, I think you should try it out because it's definitely a different than all the rest of the other deep conditioners that they have because it's fresh. They make it fresh. So let's talk about the ingredients. So as I stated before, I got the one for the damaged hair, and the ingredients are avocados, water, shea butter, extra virgin oil, avocado oil, honey, coconut oil, tea tree oil, lavender essential oil, vitamin E, gargum, and citric acid. And then it goes into detail about each individual ingredient. It tells what it contains and what it does for your hair. And again, the website or the product is NaturAll, and they specialize in deep conditioners, and the website is NaturAllClub.com, and I'll put it below in the description box, or I'll put it somewhere down here so that you can see. But overall, I really liked it. It left my hair soft and my curls are popping. I really I didn't wash it out with shampoo or conditioner because I thought it was going to mess up the deep conditioner, and I thought the whatever I washed it with was going to make my hair feel not what it feels like now. And my hair is definitely soft and manageable. So I like it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video and this review, and if you want to give it a try, I think you should go check out their products. Once again, it's a Black-owned company, and the product is great. I really love it. I'll finish using my other half of the solution in 2 weeks. And go check their products out because they are bomb. I definitely had to throw my hair up because I didn't like how my shrinkage was looking. If you like this video, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.